Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Clark Stroder with Definitive Pest Control. I'm here at a property right now inspecting for termites. Just wanted to show you guys something interesting I found. So my company I work for a real estate firm that just called me to do an inspection because they're trying to get this house sold. Anyway, walking through this garage, and I'll show you guys something to look for in your house. So you see down here, there's a little expansion joint right here, and I see all this dirt piled up on this expansion joint. And these subterranean termites, they make mud tubes. So they subterranean meaning they live underground, and they travel up from the ground up, and they find ingresses in your home. So when I'm doing a termite inspection, I'm always looking to these kind of areas. Expansion joints being one of the biggest problem areas in houses where concrete meets up with concrete. Termites will usually find their way in once you get these little cracks. So what I did was I started looking, and then I looked right under here, and there's a pipe that's coming up right here under the wall. So I started peeling it back, and I found mud tube casings right here. See all these little pieces of mud? The termites will actually make these mud casings from the ground up to get into the house, and they do that to control their body temperature, to keep a sterile environment for them to live in. So all on this expansion joint right here, it's all cracked where the slab settled, and it looks like the termites were up under that water heater area where that water heater used to be, and then they made their way up and came up this wall right here. There's a little bit of damage on this wall, but my concern is that they're eating the wall inside. So then I said, well, let's look inside, right? Let's make sure that we can identify what's going on. So I'm gonna show you this too. Let's see if I can hold this light a little better for you. So I just kind of peeled this back a little bit here. I want to see what's going on. So I just cut this right here. And if you can see in there, I know it's kind of tough. You can actually see the mud tubes in the wall all through there. So I don't know how much damage has occurred, but we know that there's been evidence of termites here, and you know the company I work for, they're wanting to make sure this house is in good condition to sell. So now we're going to do a estimate and perform a treatment to where we're going to actually down drill that slab in the garage every 12 inches, and I'm going to inject termiticide into the slab, under the slab, to kill the termites where they're coming in. And then there's going to be a barrier treatment around the house. So I do a trench around the whole outside of the house, and I apply 4 gallons of Termidor, which is a termiticide I use for termites, every 10 feet. So every 10 lineal foot around the house, there'll be 4 gallons of that termiticide. It's a real good idea to do on a house in Southwest Florida, especially your houses are approaching 10 years old and later. The slabs will start to crack, and then insects will start to make their way in through those cracks, especially termites in areas like this. So good inspection, guys, vital for termite control. Good chemicals, really important. I'm about to go in the attic space and try to look down this wall right now to see if there's something going on in that wall. Could be a roof leak that's leaking down, causing them to come in and eat. You never know sometimes. So just wanted to show you that little tidbit of information, guys. Even if you don't see evidence of termites in your house, call a trained inspector like me or any other company in the area that's certified to do this to protect your home. Your home being the biggest investment. Termites causing the most damage annually. This is crazy. The most damage annually. If you combined all of your claims with insurance, fire, flood, storms, hurricanes, all of that combined, termites still do more structural damage annually every year since we've had those statistics out. So again, guys, thank you for tuning in to watch my video. I'm Clark with Definitive Pest Control. If you need a good termite inspection and a great service done on your home for termite control, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.